Boom. Yo, put that back. Put that back.
So this is how it comes. So it's rolled.
Let me smell it.
Oh my God! See your body shape nice, body shape nice. Yo, you got the black girl booty, bubble like the brewery. Love is not a crime.
Walk on, subbies! I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good
A
time.
long time.
We are here for a good time.
A long time.
Today we got a special video for you guys, and it is called
Jamaican Try Asian Snacks.
We want to try some new things, so we're going to try new things, okay?
Okay, and this video is brought to you by Try Treats.
Yes.
So we're gonna link it below in case you guys want to try treats, and you can also use our coupon code, which is Danielle and Chaddy Forever, for 15% off.
Yeah, you're getting a discount right now. We're giving
So
you a
it's a
free
deal.
discount. Just mean not really free, but 50% off. Type of thing. Before we get started, go ahead and smash that like button, comment down below, notification gang, notification squad. We love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. Subscribe if you want to be a part of the family. Go ahead and spread the word, because you know we're here for a good time and a long time. But before we start, you know, I have to say my quote of the day.
Oh my god.
In life, if you don't have a treat today, you're not gonna have a smiley face at the end of the day.
Get out of here! Get out of here, man!
Before we get started, comment down below which other snacks we should try, because we want to bring something new to the
Snacks,
channel.
food,
Yeah.
anything.
So go ahead and comment down below if you guys want more of these types of videos. Go ahead, comment down below. Right now we're about to get interested into the snacks them, if that make any sense.
Oh, I don't know where to start, guys. We have so many snacks, and we're gonna try them all because they really look good.
By the way, what I've seen on this whole table, I only recognize this thing right here, which is
Chaddy
Pocky.
loves Pocky.
Guys, if you guys
He's
have
gonna eat all of this by himself.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, Pocky is one of my favorite snacks, by the way,
He
guys.
normally has the cookie and cream.
Yeah, the cookie and cream one I normally eat, but this one, I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna let you guys know how it tastes right now.
By the way, Mr. Chase is in his little bouncer right here.
Yeah,
so.
and he's bouncing away right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna get started. So
Okay, my eye's been on this one.
yeah, cause that one just looking popping right now.
Okay, so this is
Choco pie.
choco pie.
Get the girl them right.
So we actually have an extra one of these. So if it really tastes good, we have an extra
Yeah.
one to eat after.
By the way, guys, all the snacks you can actually get it online. We're in
Yeah.
the same website.
And online at this website, you can get all the snacks from other places.
Yeah.
So you can mix and match.
Yo,
Okay,
what
so
this?
it's like chocolate.
This look like damn, what do you call it?
I know what you mean.
You know, right?
Digestive?
Yes, yes. It looks like that.
No,
Like
but digestive is normally like flat.
flat, yeah.
This
but
one has like something in the middle.
it looks similar though.
So it's a chocolate pie with white cream in the center.
That must taste good. Hurry up and we'll get a bite.
It's like a cookie coated with chocolate with vanilla cream in the middle.
If you guys didn't know it, back in my old days, I used to love chocolate, but now I crave more chocolate. If that make any sense.
Get out of here! Get out of here, man!
This gets a pass, by the way, guys.
That's really good.
This is really good, not gonna lie.
Cappuccino candy.
Yo, so this is basically coffee, and yeah.
My kind of thing.
Yeah, it's gonna make you get very hyper, if you know what I mean.
Oh, they're in separate, so you can have.
Oh, so this is like a candy.
So I don't have to share with him.
Yeah.
It's like half and half.
Oh, yo, what about that?
no, this is mine.
What?
This is so good.
Yo, people.
If you
This
like
is
coffee,
bad.
if you like coffee, this is really
Yo,
good.
this is so good, yo. The next one we got is the Triple M stick right here, the stick. I know you want the stick. Yes, Chase, tell him.
Okay, guys. This is roasted seaweed.
Guys, we have tried roasted seaweed, by the way, guys.
I tried it again.
I did not like it.
I tried it again somewhere
Me
else,
no like it. Me no like
and
it.
it was actually really good.
But I'm gonna eat it just for this video because I don't know how it's gonna taste. And in life, you gotta take challenges and you have to overcome it. And this is one. Boom. Yo, put that back. Put that back.
So this is how it comes. So it's rolled.
Let me smell it.
Oh my God!
Yo, it sounds crunchy. I ain't gonna lie.
Very fishy.
Yeah, it tastes like sea salt.
Tastes like sea.
Me don't like it though.
I think it's because I had the candy and then this, but I think I would eat this.
Not for me. That's
And
one.
seaweed, I think, is a healthy snack.
That one is not for me though, but
I'll have this one. You don't like it? It has like a fishy kind of taste.
Not for me. No,
I like it, guys.
No, not for me.
Comment down below if you ever tried a seaweed snack.
Not for me.
This is a solar dried banana.
This is my type of snack, by the way, guys.
Banana?
Like, I like fruit snacks more. Back then I used to like a lot more chocolate snacks. But
I'm not a banana fan.
I'm not a banana fan either, because like banana
if I like banana, it smells like banana.
Boy.
Oh my God.
So this is how it looks, guys.
You know, it looks like plantain. It looks like a plantain that just get boiled.
Yeah, but so this one is not my favorite, but
as you can tell, we have a guest in the building right now, Mr. Chasey.
He's staring at the banana. I think Chase would like this one. Next one is called Euro cake, and it's a custard.
Yo, so in life, if you need some custard today, you should have it today.
This smells like a Twinkie.
I'm sorry. Yo, that smell wicked. Yo, hurry up. Come on, piece.
Oh, it's soft.
Yes.
It's like soft, like a Twinkie.
Oh God.
But it just has like custard in it.
Here, we're going to do the whole of this right now. You see this?
Don't put all of it in.
You see the whole of this right now?
No, because I want a piece.
Bomba. Yo, this banana Twinkie.
And this is good.
Yo, this is so much better than a Twinkie, guys. This is fire, me not lie. Whoa, Danny, that shot, you know?
Well, I wouldn't know because you stuffed the whole thing in your mouth and I only got a little.
This one's mixed with like chocolate.
This one is a Euro cake again, but this one is marble.
Yeah.
So this is how they look. We didn't show you the other one because Chad stuffed it.
Yeah, now, yo, that one is shot, guys. Yo, or if I'm burp me a piece.
This looks really good. Look in the middle.
Yo, it's bad. It's not too sweet though.
No, it's not. Sweet.
It's just perfect. This, they're on fire right now. I prefer the custard one though. I'm not gonna lie.
We're gonna have to order more of these.
Yo, the custard one bad though. Compared to the marble.
So this one is called Big Fruit.
Big Fruit.
Okay, so the flavors are lychee, mangosteen, which I don't know really what that is, and then mango. Got it. Still have it.
Okay, I'm about to try the mangosteen right now. How's your?
I'm not too sure. Okay, it kind of tastes like a mango, but what's mangosteen?
I don't know.
What's the difference between mango and mangosteen?
Guys, Google it and let us know right now, cause yo, this is not bad, yo.
So it's like a soft, chewy candy.
Yeah, it's really soft.
This is good.
It's soft that if you have rotten teeth, it broke out the teeth.
If you have rotten teeth, it broke out your teeth or it don't.
I mean, you just take care of your rotten teeth and just take them out for you. Alright, lychee. Don't
I got it first.
Here, open this for me, because I got just sun in my lap. I can't open anything. How it is? Good? Cheers.
Cheers.
This is like starbursts, guys. Just in the Asian market, starbursts. But I'm not like these.
And they're not sweet. Cheers.
This is the mango, guys, and it is to die for.
I'm here in your order. Mango, mangosteen, or lychee?
Mango has to be number one. Lychee, then mangosteen. This is actually, this tastes like a real ripe mango.
A Julie mango.
Yes, like what? Yo, this does yo Julie mango energy.
I said it.
Daniel's favorite thing, seafood, but it is
squid.
Squid.
So this is a squid seafood snack. So guys, when you open it, you can smell
it. It looks like it has a burning flavor though, because it has a hot sign on there.
No.
Yes, it does, G. Look at that. So it might be hot, it might be spicy. Can you smell it? Yo, it smells like squid, people. Like literally, you know, the fresh squid That's it smell like right now, guys.
So it comes out like this in a tray.
Ah boy, me no know about that one in Daniel. Me no know about that one in Daniel. Oh God.
Okay.
Oh God. Cheers. Me no know about that one. Yeah. It's hot. It's hot.
It's spicy.
Bomba! Ah! Fire! Need some water. Producer, we need some water. Guys, we don't have the producer. Producer!
Oh, the one bucket of water we have.
We share.
But geez.
We're letting the producer taste.
Yeah, we're letting our handyman behind the camera taste it right
But
now.
guys, it has a really nice flavor.
It has a nice flavor.
It has a really nice flavor, but it's hot. So if you don't like spicy, I don't think you can have this one.
Not to me, G. Like,
It's spicy.
best thing to go after eating spicy.
Chad left this one for last.
You don't know, cause you know, the spicy you have to have something sweet to, you know, savor the spicy. Cause you know,
Savor?
yeah, you don't want it boil up too much in your brain and bust the brain, you know.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Don't know Pockies? This is how they are.
Yo, they're so
So
good,
it's like a
guys.
stick. It's like a crunchy stick, and then it's like dipped in the flavor.
Yeah, and which is this flavor is strawberry. Whoa.
It's a biscuit.
Yo, this bad.
It's a biscuit stick coated with strawberry.
Yo, this bad people. This.
It's
Well,
so crunchy.
Danielle, leave my thing alone now.
Give me back.
For real, leave my thing alone. Put it back.
I'll eat one more.
Yo, give me one more. Give me one more. Yo, but all the snacks are really good. Just I have my favorite would be the cake, which is the
So this is Chad's favorite.
custard cake and
Give
the
us your top
pocky.
three.
And the pocky.
Okay. And the candy.
Yeah.
Which one?
I must say,
This one.
yeah, the candy. So those three.
Oh, can't hold it.
What's your favorite three?
Okay, so my favorites are the coffee candy, the mango candy, and the squid.
Yeah, you like the squid?
Because it's spicy.
I don't know, boy.
I like spicy.
That guy burn your bottom. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, comment down below, notification gang, notification squad, because it is time for notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Ocean Scott.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Daniel's head top right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Tajay.
Tashay, big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over here. And the third and final notification shout out goes to
Andrea Malcolm.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, like the button, and comment down below. Notification chase, notification boom bam bang, notification treats,
Notification subbies,
notification.
subfam.
Yeah, go ahead and do that right now.
Notification, the country that you're from.
Yeah, and we love you guys and thank you guys for your love and support. And we are
Out.
out.